Racing Jazz is started with El Shuttle break quickly to start. Court of Justice is on the outside. Mahilig in the middle portion, then followed now by Purging Line. Next in line is Mapaghinala. And going along for the first turn, we have Court of Justice. Mahilig in second, then 2 lengths back in third comes Purging Line. Storm Goddess comes next, El Shuttle, then followed now by Mapaghinala. Dare to Dream second last, while Directors Let Go this the early trailer. Back to the leader, we have 2 runners now matching their strides together. Court of Justice is running by the rail, and on the outside Mahilig, then followed by Purging Line. Storm Goddess is racing in fourth, and in fifth Directors Let Go, then followed by El Shuttle. Then next in line Mapaghinala, while Dare to Dream now racing in last, and they are now entering the home stretch. Court of Justice, Mahilig, Purging Line now trying to get closer in third as they swing for home. We have Court of Justice by about 2 lengths, and in second remains Mahilig. Purging Line is on the outside. Storm Goddess last 75 meters. We have Court of Justice, and finally Court of Justice. Second, Mahilig. Purging Line is Storm Goddess. Directors Let Go, El Shuttle. Mapaghinala, Dare to Dream.
Our unofficial winner for this race, number 6, entry number 6, Court of Justice with John Allen Guse. Ito, tingnan natin. Mas segundo 5, Mahilig 7, Purging Line. Panoorin po natin.